How to remove last name on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, what you can simply do is you can just launch the settings over here after you launch onto your profile. So let's tap on profile and then tap on the gear icon. As you tap on the gear icon, you can see the option of see more in account center, so tap on it. Then tap on the profiles and then select your profile over here. Tap on your name and simply what you can do is tap on the names over here. You can just tap on your name and you can just remove your name over here. So let's get back and just try to change it. But since it says that I've already changed this within the 60 days, so I'll not be accessible to change the name until the name has been changed for 60 days. So I'll not be able to change it, but right now on the screen what you can do is just tap on the last name, remove it, and you'll be able to change your name on Facebook. Or you can rather remove your last name on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.